HDMI cables are essential for smart TVs and monitors to transmit high-definition video and audio, ensuring seamless, high-quality viewing. My today's video is about top 5 best HDMI cable that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Silkland HDMI cable. The HDMI 2.1 cable redefines home entertainment and gaming with its cutting-edge performance and durability. Fully HDMI 2.1 certified, it ensures verified compatibility, giving users confidence in high-speed data transmission. Designed for serious gamers, it supports 4K at 120Hz for consoles like PS5 and Xbox, and ultra-responsive 4K at 144Hz for PC gaming, delivering flawlessly smooth visuals with minimal lag. Its next-generation bandwidth of 48 gigabits per second ensures seamless 10K, 8K at 60Hz, 5K at 120Hz, and 4K at 144Hz resolutions, providing unmatched clarity and detail across all devices. The cable incorporates exclusive E-braid technology featuring double-layer fishnet nylon braiding, copper cores, and ferrite magnetic beads, guaranteeing long-lasting durability while eliminating signal interruptions, flickering, and black screens. Audio enthusiasts benefit from immersive support for DTS, Dolby Atmos, and enhanced eARC/ARC for superior sound quality. Dynamic HDR enhances contrast and color depth, revealing rich brightness and shadow details for a cinematic viewing experience. Ideal for gaming, streaming, and high-definition media consumption, this HDMI 2.1 cable is a versatile, future-proof solution that ensures both exceptional visual fidelity and robust, reliable performance for any modern entertainment setup. Now our second product is Highwings HDMI cable. The Highwings 8K Ultra High-Speed HDMI cable sets a new standard in home entertainment and gaming technology. Engineered for the ultimate visual experience, it supports 8K at 60Hz and 4K at 120Hz, ensuring every detail, color, and particle is displayed with precision. Its 48 gigabits per second, 6 gigabytes per second bandwidth eliminates lag, frame drops, and stuttering, providing smooth video playback and responsive gaming performance. Backward compatibility with HDMI 2.0 b divided by 2.0 divided by 1.4 divided by 1.3 divided by 1.2 divided by 1.1 ensures seamless integration with older devices while future-proofing your setup. For gamers, this cable unlocks a superior 4K at 120Hz experience with variable refresh rate support, allowing graphics cards and CPUs to deliver maximum performance with stunning detail. Constructed with reinforced military-grade tensile nylon and upgraded anti-bending connectors, it offers exceptional durability and longevity. Every component has undergone rigorous laboratory testing to guarantee flawless performance, combining precision engineering with practical design. Whether streaming ultra-high-definition content, engaging in competitive gaming, or building a high-performance home theater, the Highwings 8K HDMI cable delivers unmatched clarity, stability, and reliability. It is an essential investment for anyone seeking the pinnacle of audiovisual performance. Our third product is KabelDirekt HDMI cable. The KabelDirekt HDMI to HDMI cable is engineered for those who demand uncompromising performance and reliability in their home theater, gaming, or professional AV setups. Supporting UHD 2 resolutions, including 10K at 60Hz, 8K at 60Hz, and 4K at 120Hz. This cable ensures ultra-high-definition clarity, smooth frame rates, and exceptional detail. It also supports HDR 7.1 surround sound, ARC, and Ethernet, delivering an all-in-one solution for immersive audiovisual experiences. German engineered with precision, the cable features a multi-layer shielding system inside the connector, ensuring stable, interference-free signal transmission. Gold-plated, break-resistant connectors and high-purity copper conductors guarantee durability and consistent performance, even under heavy daily use. With length options ranging from 0.5 feet to 75 feet, KabelDirekt cables adapt to any setup. Whether it's a compact gaming station, expansive home theater, or professional AV installation, every cable undergoes rigorous machine testing to ensure flawless operation, and the 36-month manufacturer warranty adds peace of mind. Fully compatible with PCs, laptops, gaming consoles, PS5, Xbox, Switch, Blu-ray/DVD players, monitors, projectors, and all HDMI-enabled devices, KabelDirekt delivers unparalleled clarity, reliability, and performance for any high-definition need. Now number 4. Leadstar HDMI cable. The braided HDMI cable is a perfect combination of durability, speed, and versatility, designed to meet the needs of modern home entertainment and professional setups. Constructed with ultra-durable nylon braiding and a pure copper core, this cable boasts a bend lifespan exceeding 10,000 cycles. Gold-plated connectors and imported high-quality chips ensure flawless, high-speed signal transmission without interference, making it reliable for both daily use and heavy-duty applications. Supporting HDMI 2.0 standards, the cable delivers a maximum bandwidth of 18 gigabits per second and supports high dynamic range (HDR) video, providing 4 times the clarity of standard 1080p. It enables stunning 4K at 60 Hz resolution with 48-bit color depth, bringing vibrant, lifelike visuals to your movies, games, and professional content. Additionally, it supports Ethernet, 3D video, and audio return channel (ARC), ensuring complete multimedia functionality. This cable is fully compatible with a wide range of devices including Xbox, PS4, PS5, Blu-ray players, Fire TV, Apple TV, computers, TVs, displays, /V receivers, and projectors. Its premium build and high-speed performance make it an essential accessory for flawless 4K entertainment and seamless connectivity. And our last choice is Snowkids HDMI cable. The Snowkids HDMI 2.1 cable represents the pinnacle of high-performance connectivity, designed to meet the rigorous standards of modern entertainment and professional setups. Officially certified by HDMI LA, it ensures full compliance with HDMI 2.1 requirements and remains backward compatible with HDMI 2.0, B divided by 2.0, a divided by 1.4 divided by 1.3 divided by 1.2 divided by 1.1 devices, offering seamless integration with legacy hardware. With support for 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, 48-bit HDR color depth, True HD 7.1, and advanced features like eARC, VRR, QFT, QMS, ALLM, and DSC, this cable delivers unparalleled audio-visual fidelity. Gamers, streamers, and content creators can enjoy lifelike visuals, smoother frame rates, and immersive sound, while professionals benefit from crystal-clear video and reliable connectivity for conference systems and projectors. Durability is a key highlight, with military-grade tensile nylon, SR flexible strain relief, and 24K gold-plated ports allowing up to 25,000 flex cycles without performance loss. Each cable undergoes strict laboratory testing to ensure stable, high-speed signal transmission. Universal compatibility with TVs, laptops, monitors, consoles, Blu-ray players, and more makes the Snowkids HDMI 2.1 cable a reliable, long-lasting choice for both home and office use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.